Is Windows search slowing down your PC with high CPU usage? Let's fix it in just a few steps. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look for the Windows search process, sometimes called Search or part of Cortana. Right-click it and choose End Task. This gives you temporary relief. Step 2. Now to fix it permanently, open Control Panel, Indexing Options. Click Modify and remove extra folders. Keep only your main user folder. This prevents Windows from indexing unnecessary files. Step 3. Next, rebuild the search index. In Indexing Options, Advanced, Rebuild. This clears corrupted index files that often cause high CPU usage. Step 4. If the issue continues, run System Repair. Open Command Prompt as admin and type SFC/scannow, then dism/online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth. This will repair damaged Windows system files. And that's it. Now your Windows search should work smoothly without hogging your CPU. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Windows fixes.